You starting? No, I'm starting.
You.
Alright, what's up everybody? We're here at the Vert house at the Vert ramp.
How's it, everybody?
Dan, the
Look
OG.
how tall this dude is. He's taller than me.
Almost.
Alright, well, we've seen what you've been commenting. Rick, please return to Vert. Please skate Vert again. So finally, Rick is back for another fantastic Vert video. Why don't you tell him exactly what Rick is going to do, Diddy?
So Rick is gonna do some tricks and try to get letters on me. But trick is, I'm doing everything in the Vert while he's doing everything on the mini ramp.
Dang.
Sounds like a perfect Vert video.
Not
for Rick.
in Vert after all. He catfished us.
It's crazy.
Well, I think this will be fun. You guys did this a couple of times, maybe with the fingerboard even too, but I was never here for those. So I think it'd be interesting to see
Yeah.
how I can do it on the mini ramp versus JD on the Vert ramp.
And it's one-on-one.
Yeah.
Before I used to have like 4 or 5 guys against me.
Aaron could
Maybe
never
all you
really
need is
punish.
one.
Did you still win or what?
Yeah, I think.
Of course.
Aaron could not punish, but you, I know, can
I
punish.
think I can punish, yeah. Well, see, that's the thing, is like a Vert ramp and a mini ramp are very, 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 very different skills. What's interesting though is because like JD could do a 540, right? And obviously I can't do that.
I'm not gonna do
But
that.
then I could do stupid tricks that like wouldn't really work too. But I think let's try to keep it in the realm of like both reasonable-ish tricks that we can both kind of do.
Exactly.
Let's have some fun.
You ready?
Skateboarding.
Yes!
Oh. You guys want to do alternating sets?
Oh gosh, that's a great
That's
question.
what you think.
I feel like we
Yeah, with
we
Vert, I
should.
guess probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Front lip.
Also, is my thing that bigger side or the smaller side?
Both.
Just any.
I think both.
Okay.
I think if he sets a trick, you can defend it wherever you want.
Wherever.
Whichever way is,
Yeah.
whichever spot's easier.
Should we count the slide in there, Rick?
So I've seen him do like 5 different tricks, but I guess the official set was front lip, right?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, I think we gotta say you must slide.
Starting off nice and chill for you.
Thank you.
Because the front lip and front disaster are 2 different tricks.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Think I got it?
You got him worried already, JD.
That was good enough. That was valid.
I think that was good. All right, Rick.
Oh snap!
my
I,
set.
Time to
forgot.
punish. That's it.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, back 50? All right, you warming up. That trick scares me. I feel like this
Should I do
ramp
my-
has gotten small.
Should I do my best Vert trick?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing?
My turn, brother.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Jumping the
my
gun, Rick.
I guess that was silly. Now I just kind of wasted my shot.
4-sided fakie.
There's something seriously wrong with doing that in a vert ramp.
You know who did that?
Me.
Remember who did that trick?
Me.
It's Derek Kyrie.
Okay.
Good.
You want my? This is my hardest Vert trick, JD.
Alright. Oh my god, almost failed. I still don't understand how that's your hardest. That's crazy.
The front rock.
How you just
Is that-
did the steeziest floaty air, getting in position trick.
All
Oh, I
right.
forgot it's my turn. I think I'm gonna start escalating it a little.
How dare you?
Nollie to like front pivot or front 5L, I guess. No grind.
Okay.
Something kind of chill.
I guess I'll do it a minute. I'm probably gonna bail this
Do it on the big side. It's easier. I'm not trying to sabotage you. Not today. Not right now.
Oh!
Look.
Did not expect
Now it's
that.
your turn.
We will, by the end of the game, finally remember it's alternating sets.
Hey, describe the level of punishment.
Oh,
hell no.
no.
Alright, where do I want to take this right now?
I would go something diabolical like front rock.
Straight away?
Front rock.
That is diabolical. I don't like that trick. What? I'm not gonna lie, I can't do this very well. I can do
Dang.
them with 1 foot, but with 2 feet, it's a whole nother story. Oh my god!
Oh my god, that was sketchy. Dude, this ramp is too small for you.
Maybe, yeah. Alright, you ready? You want option 1 or option 2?
Option 2.
Alright, so we're grinding a feeble to fake.
do you get butterflies when you're flying through the air, like you're on like the Guardians of the Galaxy ride at Disneyland?
No.
What in the world?
I got used to it, I think. Oh. Damn.
Get on the board!
You gotta do it like a Smith. Lean back.
Lean back?
Yeah.
Crazy thing about alternating sets is you gotta match a letter or you're automatically at a disadvantage.
JD was talking smack recently, so let's hit him with this one.
What? Switch? That's kind of crazy.
Is that hard?
That is.
He said he would do it on the Mega Ram. No, that's scary, dude.
Dude, it's JD. Oh, okay. I mean, I was right. It's JD and he landed it. But yeah, that was sketchy. No, I could tell.
All right, let me think. Trying to think of something good. You know what I'm saying? Crook ran fakie. Oh my god, that was so sketchy.
Wow. If I were Rick, I'd do something like a kickflip into the ramp. All the way into the ramp.
Dang.
Uh-oh.
Oh snap. Oh snap.
You gotta make up some ground, Rick.
One fakie. I am not gonna lie, I haven't done that one in a hot minute.
Oh my god.
That was kind of
That was absurd. Yeah, that pop out was one of the craziest things I've seen. Oh.
My turn. Lean disaster, nose grab disaster. This is where I'm getting a little more dirty, Verty.
I feel like that's doable for you. No! That was so close.
Come on, bro.
Dang, alright.
Damn, Rick, you were talking about advantages before the game. Maybe you should have had 2 tries.
I've been kind.
As soon as your kindness leads to 2 letters, I'm instantly flipping the switch and going so dirty. But I'm glad that it led to the blunt to fake because that was a joy to watch.
It's your set.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, that is you.
What was that?
Oh.
I got that one, brother. Nollie, front tail, stall. I just tried that the other day and it worked. Come on! Gotta pull through.
Time to get a
Alright, now it's time to play the technical, huh, Red? He's gonna hit the technical.
Absolutely excellent. Let's go!
Yes!
Blood has been drawn.
Huh, let me think.
Punish.
You want high risk for me or low risk for you? I mean low risk for me.
Low risk for you.
Okay. Half cab rock and roll. Whoa, okay.
Let's give another tough one. Okay, so not one. This is like on this part of the board.
Oh, snap. Getting dirty.
Oh.
Let's absolutely go. All right, I got 2 tricks in mind. Second one?
Yeah.
All right, second one is back Smith. Back Smith grind.
That was sketchy.
Okay, you landed it.
Let's try the one thing again.
One-footed tail slide. I don't even know what to call it, like a judo front tail or something. No grab.
I actually think I can do that. Why was he tripping on the earlier tail slide if you can do that?
He said that.
Because this one's easier to like keep my board up there.
You're a liar.
Yeah, there you go. That was it. 2 more letters.
My set?
Yep.
I want to land this because I can't be able to 3 it.
Oh.
I have never done this. This will be a
Oh.
first. This is my first letter. Second letter. turn.
Punish.
I got a good idea. We're gonna go with a nice old front one.
Oh.
Final letter, and he's gonna set after my set right now. Alright, here we go, JD. I'm sorry.
I'm scared. That's great.
Wow.
That was nerve-wracking.
That is not meant to be done in a vert ramp.
Yeah, you gotta be crazy. I know some people who do those really well. That's scary.
He said, I'm playing fun at first, and then pulls that out. That is just...
Hey, I'm on my last.
No, I'm messing with you. That's so funny, though.
540.
Kickflip body burial 5. I'm just kidding.
Full
Dude,
cap heel. Full cap heel flip indie.
That's insane. Dude, when you aired and hit the peak of your air, Derek opened or like closed the door and I thought you hit your back on the ceiling.
Really?
And I freaked out. All right, Rick, come on. Punish. Blunt flip. Back blunt.
That's a good one, actually.
Alright, this is a fair one.
Oh, I love it.
I think that's reasonable.
Oh, I love it.
That is pretty reasonable, but...
I love it. Fakey 270
I don't know
axle
if I
stall.
got
Oh
that.
my gosh.
I missed it!
Dang.
I like went like this.
You got into like back Smith. I'll give you a redo. Oh!
Alright, final letter. I mean, I feel like it's kind of mean to do a real, like a vert trick.
Finish him.
Alright, I'm gonna give a chance to Ricky. I'm gonna do a full cap heel flip indie, but he doesn't have to grab on the mini ramp.
Alright, sounds good.
That's fair.
So it's kind of fair.
That is so... That is sick.
How well you got that now. I remember when you just learned it. I remember when you just learned heel flip indie.
All right, 2 shots, Rick. Trying to get in your
Dropping
head.
is great.
Oh! I mean, that was solid. All right, final try.
Yes, JD, big make.
Oh!
Dang. I kind of want to try that real quick.
Honorable.
Yeah, that's hard.
There it is.
Let's go.
There it is. How do you feel,
Okay.
Rick?
I feel okay. I think I played a good game.
Yeah.
Good fair game.
I try to play as fair as I possibly could.
Yeah, too fair. But see, if there was $10,000 on the line, you know what I'm doing? Revert, every trick, switch.
Yeah.
Switch axle stall.
Easily.
Maybe I should have said
Oh,
that.
you should have done that. That's a good idea.
Yeah. But yeah, that was super fun. Shout out to JD.
Thank
An
you.
incredible vert skater. Like we were reminiscing. Look how much he's improved. It's very cool to see. Awesome to be a part of. There are some more videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave in the comments below. Want you to learn how to skateboard. Yeah, everything you need. BrailleSkateboarding.com.